Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another video. So in today's video we will discuss a new Python tool Python JSON. JSON is a syntax for storing and exchanging data. JSON is a text written with JavaScript object notion. JSON is actually a tool which is written with JavaScript language. Python has a built-in package called JSON which can be used to work with JSON data. So now let's see an example how JSON works. So we will start the code with the import JSON and then the condition sum JSON and then the variable which is x which have some values name, age, city, etc. And then another condition which is parse x. So y is equal to JSON dot loads into x. And then the third condition, the result is a Python dictionary. The third condition says that output will be a Python dictionary. And at the end, we will print that dictionary by writing print bracket y into dictionary age. So we will get output 30 because age is printed. So that's how Python JSON works. And that's all from today's video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye.